திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். ஆதியும் அந்தமும் இல்லாரும் பெரும் சோதியை யாம் பாட கேட்டேயும் வாழ்தடங்கன் மாதே வளருதியோ வன் செவியோ நின் செவிதான் மாதேவன் வார்கழல்கள் வாழ்த்திய வாழ்த்தொழி போய் வீதிவாய் கேட்டலுமே விம்மி விம்மி மெய் மறந்து போதாரமலியின் மேல் நின்றும் புரண்டிங்கன் ஏதேனுமாகாள் கிடந்தால் என்னே என்னே ஈதே எந்தோழி பரிசெலோரெம்பாவாய். போற்றியோம் நம சிவாய. The atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. In the atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind, and soul. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind, and soul and purifies them. Our body, mind, and soul are purified. We can think of our parents and get the blessings from them. We can also offer our prayers to all gurus and get the blessings from them. Now we are chanting Om, first giving more time to O. Equal timings. Short O. Omitting O. Omitting the sound also. We are chanting Om without sound. Absolute silence. With this absolute silence, by exhaling, we are observing all over the body We are cleaning our spinal cord, closing the left nose. Inhale from the bottom of the spinal cord with absolute silence. Breathing through right nose, coming up to the top of the head. Closing the right nose, breathe out, coming down to the bottom of the spinal cord. From the bottom of the spinal cord, we are inhaling, bringing our absolute silence along with left breathe in, closing the left nose, breathe out, coming down to the bottom of the spinal cord. From the bottom of the spinal cord, we are inhaling and going to the top of the head, visualizing a small Sivalingam, just like in Chidambaram, situated in the middle of our head. We are inhaling and exhaling with absolute silence, concentrating on this small Sivalingam. Now we are going to concentrate on Nataraja. From the 11th of December and up to the 20th of December, we are celebrating Pavai Nonbu, that is giving special prayer, offerings and songs to Lord Nataraja. That's why we are think of Lord Nataraja. Inhale and exhale. Now we are going to concentrate on the right hand of Nataraja. There will be a small drum. That is the significance of evolution of universe, living beings and human beings. Because of the energy coming from this hand, we are came into this universe. We are inhaling and exhaling, concentrating on the hand with the drum, and thanks the God for giving this divine birth with good health. We can inhale and exhale. Now we are going to concentrate on another hand which shows the simple or mudra of protection. Abhayagaram, that is the significance of protection. You know, Nataraja is having 4 hands. The another right hand gives us protection. We are inhaling and exhaling. The energy emerging from this hand of protection safeguard us in all our way of life. Always the energy comes from the palms, gives us all the prosperities. We are think of the right hand of protection. Inhale and exhale with absolute silence. Now we are going to concentrate on the left hand holding fire. It is the symbol of demolition, destruction. All our evil imprints are washed out by the fire. We are getting more and more purified. Just like the gold which is put in the fire gets more and more shining. Our character, our soul, all are getting more and more purity. We inhale and exhale with absolute silence, concentrating on the fire in the left hand of the Nataraja. Next, we are going to concentrate on the right leg. The right leg is on the body of Muyalagan, personification of all evil things, ignorance, innocence, and bad imprints. Always his feet pressing the evil things and let them not to enter within us. It is a leg signifying the hiding of evil things, ego, within us. Always our ego is more and more suppressed and purified. Our soul is enlightened. We are inhaling and exhaling with absolute silence. All of you might have noticed that one of his left hand showing the left leg which was raised. Now we are concentrating on the left leg raised. This is the significance of bliss from the Almighty. There are 5 activities of Almighty. First one, creation. Second one, protection. Third one, destruction. Fourth one, hiding and obstructed. Fifth one, bliss. Now we are concentrating on the left leg which is raised. We are getting blessings from the left leg showed by left hand. We are inhaling and exhaling with absolute silence through this leg. We are getting more and more blessings from the Nataraja. We are inhaling and exhaling, observing the left leg. Now we are concentrating on the whole body of the Nataraja, the dancing posture, which is on the Mount Kailas. All of you can visualize that huge Nataraja, and we are getting more and more blessings from Nataraja. We are more and more energized, more and more enlightened, more and more blessed by Nataraja. All impurities are vanished. The divine bliss filled within our mind, within our soul and within our body. We are getting more and more divine energy in this calm stage of our mind. By the grace of Lord Nataraja, we all may enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, happiness, wisdom, peace, ecstasy, and all the prosperities in our life. By the grace of Nataraja, we all may enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, happiness, wisdom, peace, ecstasy, and all the prosperities within us. We can think of our family members, the grace of Nataraja gives them all the prosperities in their life. They are blessed by the Almighty. Oti Om Namah Shivaya. We can think of our friends and relatives. They are also getting the blessings from the Almighty and all the prosperities in their life. They are blessed. We can think of the persons, those who are related in our day-to-day life by thought, word, and deed. All of them are being blessed by the Almighty, the Nataraja. Whoever we are think of, whoever we are talking with, whoever we are acting with, all are blessed by the Almighty. We can think of the persons related in our profession, the superiors, co-workers, subordinates, all of them are blessed by the Nataraja with all the prosperities in their life. We can think of the persons, those who are celebrating their birthday and the anniversaries. All of them are blessed with the blessings of Nataraja with all the prosperities. We can think of the persons, those who are suffering from physical and mental illness. They are getting more and more energy, immunity within them, and they are getting more and more recovery from their mental and physical illness. Even we can think of the persons, those who are disturbing our mind, word, and deed. And acting as the foes, enemies They are also being blessed by the Nataraja with all the prosperities. We can think of the whole world, all the living beings, all the material things, and all the human beings, all are blessed with all the prosperities. May the whole world enjoy happiness, wisdom, and peace. தென்னாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி, நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி, திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். We can raise our hands above our head, simply lightly rubbing our palms and apply it on our eyes. Spread all over the body. Open our eyes and see the right palm. Potri Om Namah Shivaya. Potri Om Namah Shivaya. Now let us bless all the participants. While I am blessing, all of you can jointly bless them while I am saying their name. All of you in the calm state of mind, you can also bless them with all the prosperities. Pushpa Rayan, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Anna Marias, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Kali Karan Barel, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Vishnu Jo Dukwete, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Hope Mel, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Sundari, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Reverend Kumari D. Shachi, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Swami Saradananda, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Steve Goodspeed, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Serene Louis Radhananda, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Reverend Sankar Pern, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Paramesadi, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Pushpa, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Ashangan, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Koni Stele, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Madaji, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Sandra Shatya Velas, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Sumadi, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Jeff Kamen, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Bhakti Foster Purvin, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Hanuman, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Nataraj, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Jai Rayan, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Hema Shah, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Gina Kane, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Geeta Brown, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Karuna, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Satya Potriyom Namashivaya, be blessed. Richard Greenstone Potriyom Namashivaya, be blessed. Vijay Potriyom Namashivaya, be blessed. Potriyom Namashivaya, Puspa.